Have you ever seen LEDs slowly fade on by themselves without any IC and even without connecting the transistor base? Yes, this circuit looks impossible, but it actually works. Let me show you this super simple multiple LED fade light flasher circuit. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you a very easy and interesting LED fade light circuit using only one BC547 transistor, one capacitor, and one variable resistor. This project is perfect for beginners and works smoothly with a 12-volt battery or power supply. For this circuit, we need one BC547 NPN transistor, one 2200 microfarad, 16-volt electrolytic capacitor, one 10 kilo ohm variable resistor, 5 LED diodes, any color you like, and a 12-volt DC battery or power supply. You can also add more LEDs if you want brighter output. Circuit connection. First, take 5 LEDs and solder all of them in parallel. In my circuit, I'm using 5, but you can use more. Now take the BC547 transistor and the 2200 microfarad capacitor. Connect the emitter pin of the transistor to the positive terminal of the capacitor. Connect the collector pin of the transistor to the positive side of the LEDs. Connect the negative side of the LEDs to the negative terminal of the capacitor. Next, take the 10K variable resistor. Connect the middle pin, wiper pin, to the negative side of the capacitor and LEDs. Connect either pin 1 or pin 3 of the variable resistor to the negative terminal of the battery. Finally, connect the battery positive terminal to the positive terminal of the capacitor. And very important, leave the base pin of the transistor open. Working of the circuit. Now when we connect the power supply, wait for a few seconds. You'll see that the LEDs slowly fade on, very smoothly. By rotating the variable resistor, you can increase or decrease the fading speed. This fading effect happens because the capacitor slowly charges and discharges, controlling the current flowing through the transistor and LEDs. Big question, how is it working with base open? Many people ask me, if the base pin is open, then how is the transistor working? This is a very good question, so let me explain. In reality, the BC547 transistor is extremely sensitive. When the capacitor charges, a very tiny leakage current flows internally inside the transistor. This small current is enough to slightly bias the transistor, even without a direct base connection. Because of this, the transistor slowly turns on. LEDs fade smoothly instead of switching instantly. So yes, this is normal behavior, and that's why this circuit works even with the base pin open. Circuit uses. This circuit can be used for decorative LED lighting, DIY night lamps, electronic toys, indicator lights, learning transistor and capacitor behavior. It's simple, low cost, and great for electronics practice. If you like this kind of simple and smart electronics projects, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel and comment if you want more transistor-based circuits. Also, share this video with your friends who love electronics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.